Learning from the legacy, a case of Kalyan city. Naturally demarcated by the Ulas River on one end and the Matheran mountain range on the other, the city of Kalyan sits at the intersection of economy and faith. On entering the city from the Kalyan Bhiwandi bridge, there is an immediate encountering of the historical fort, Shivaji monument, garbage dump and sand dredging. In the mid 19th century, when the railway station was built and tracks laid, with roadways soon following, Kalyan flourished as a trading centre. The wholesale market and industries mushroomed, inviting people from all over. Historically, Kalyan has been home to many kingdoms that practiced various religions, and faith continues to be a dominant aspect of the people's everyday life. There are many temples, mosques, agyaris, and churches in the city. Kalyan thrives with a diverse religious demographic that follow and celebrate various festivals and spiritual practices, enriching the cultural landscape. In its recent history, the city has been marked by haphazard development due to the influx of a large working class population that ranges from below the poverty line to upper middle class, all seeking upward mobility. Residential housing is divided into low, middle, and high income classes, with a few open spaces, generally maidans, squeezed amidst the dense built environment. Majority of this working class population commute outside of Kalyan for work daily, with the railway being the lifeline of the city. In this daily hustle, bustle, and struggle for survival, faith proves to be the only respite, with people congregating to celebrate life over all else. However, the degradation of the city is evident around every bend, reeking of lack of care. From poor sanitation, air quality, and water pollution to congested roads, flooding, and packed spaces. Once an inland port, home to the fishing community, the Ulas River has come to mirror all the development and disintegration the city has experienced. For a clear image of a better tomorrow, Kalyan must nurture a landscape that is synchronous with its natural setting and respectful of its cultural heritage.